Hello, I'm Alexander Hampton, Assistant Professor in the Department for the Study of Religion here at the University of Toronto. This is a video abstract for my article Transcendence and Immanence, Deciphering Their Relation Through the Transcendentals in Aquinas and Kant. Sometimes the words we use most often are the words we understand the least. At the same time, we use these words because they are indispensable to us. In the study of religion, two of these words are the conceptual pair of transcendence and immanence. Depending upon what we read and when it was written, these terms can be understood as inextricably connected or diametrically opposed. This article examines the relationship between these two terms. Recent developments in two largely unrelated sets of scholarship, the first being the reevaluation of secularization, the second being the relationship between medieval and modern philosophy, provide a helpful means to arrive at a clearer understanding of this challenging problem. In my article, the work of the Canadian philosopher Charles Taylor and the work of the Dutch philosopher Jan Aertesn act as foci for these developments. In particular, I focus upon Taylor's work on epistemic framing in relation to transcendence and immanence, and Aertesn's work on the role of transcendentals in medieval philosophy. This article brings these two concepts together, examining the idea of transcendentals offered by both Aquinas, a thinker of the transcendent frame, and Kant, a thinker of the immanent frame. From this juxtaposition, we can find two contrasting understandings of the relationship between transcendence and immanence from within both the transcendent and immanent frames. In order to further explicate this distinction, in the latter part of the paper I offer two brief literary examples, one from the 12th century poet Marie de France, and the other from the English poet William Wordsworth. With these examples, I aim to demonstrate how these two ways of reading transcendence and immanence may be employed in the contextual understanding of religious writing. To understand the unity and division between transcendence and immanence is to better comprehend two primary terms in the study of religion and to appreciate a fundamental development in the history of religion in the West. I hope you enjoy the article.